This is the luxury 2-bedroom, 2-bath, Pu'apo'o 203. There's stunning ocean views. It's perched to take advantage of the whales that are jumping out there now, the beautiful sunsets here in Princeville. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is just under 1,400 square feet. The master bedroom, living room, and kitchen all share the stunning ocean views. If you'd like more information on this 2-bedroom condo here in Princeville, you can contact me at jen@oceanfrontsir.com or go to my website, jennifereasterly.com, for a more in-depth video tour. Aloha!